Hello friends, this person took Dimensional Modeling with ERwin Tool e-learning video tutorial course from us. He got multiple offers as a data modeler. What I want to say is, I feel our training helped him what to concentrate, how to prepare, and how to start with data dimensional modeling. So his capabilities along with our course, I guess he got so many offers. Check out what he is telling in his own words about his preparation and about our course.
Can you give us feedback on our training so that we can record?
The training is very nice. We gain any interviews for that. The companies I got are the Virtual Sana, Edison, Brio, KPMG, and another one is Titan. Titan not on direct Titan fair, some other company, third party company. So for that, it took around 2 months of time to just put all the effort. Many of the interviews also I got around 30 to 35 company calls. The training is very nice.